The computer world. AutoCAD is a computer-aided design (CAD) software that allows users to create 2D and 3D drawings, models, and designs for a wide range of industries. It was developed and marketed by Autodesk Inc. and was first released in 1982. Since then, it has become one of the most widely used CAD software applications in the world. AutoCAD provides a range of tools and features for creating and manipulating drawings and models. Some of its most important features include drawing tools. AutoCAD offers a wide range of drawing tools, including lines, circles, rectangles, polygons, and more. Users can also create custom shapes and symbols using the software. Editing tools. AutoCAD allows users to edit and modify their drawings and models easily. This includes tools for moving, rotating, scaling, mirroring, and trimming objects. Dimensioning tools. AutoCAD includes tools for adding dimensions to drawings and models, making it easy to create accurate and detailed designs. 3D modeling tools. AutoCAD includes a powerful set of tools for creating 3D models, including extruding, sweeping, lofting, and more. Collaboration tools. AutoCAD allows users to collaborate on designs and drawings with others. This includes features for sharing files, tracking changes, and commenting on designs. AutoCAD is used in a wide range of industries, including architecture, engineering, construction, manufacturing, and more. It is an essential tool for creating detailed drawings and models, and is used by professionals and students alike. Thanks for watching the video.